So let's talk about a topic which almost everybody knows of, but many people are really clueless with regards to how do small jigsaw pieces come and fit together. I'm talking about shares, equities and stocks. Is there a difference between these three to begin with? Let's talk about that in today's video, and let's explain to you what exactly is shares and what exactly is share market and how do these things work. If you're new to this channel, hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community ecosystem which is helping working professionals understand how to strengthen their money mindset, get over their money blocks and learn the science and the fundamentals of how to invest your money to grow your money. Okay, so as I said, shares and equities is one topic which most people know of, and then there are some people, actually many people, who are very confused about this entire subject matter in itself. So, just to give you absolute clarity to begin with, shares, stocks and equities. What is the difference between these three terms? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, even in this entire month when I'm talking to you about these subjects, I'm going to be using the term equity, shares and stocks interchangeably. Does not mean that I've lost it. It just means that they're literally interchangeable. Okay? Technically, equity is the equity stake in a company. How do you get the equity stake? In form of shares. Okay, and what exactly are shares? It's the stock of company divided in form of equity shareholders shares. So it's very technical, and more importantly it's just jargon and it's all interchangeable. So what exactly are shares? It's a very small part of a very big company. How exactly is this entire big company divided into small parts, and why do they make the entire concept of shares to begin with is something that you'll get more clarity on in the future videos, one step at a time. And even if you don't understand it, just imagine this: it's a pizza and everybody's getting a slice. Now, because the pizza is really big and it has over crores and crores or millions and millions of shares, you're going to get a very small piece instead of a slice. What exactly does a shareholder do? A shareholder, as the word suggests, holds the shares. They possess the shares. They own the shares. Where do you own the shares? How do you own the shares? You buy them off the share market or the equity market. What exactly is the equity market? Why do you need to buy them through the equity market? Because simple. If you just go and buy the shares from somebody who's not selling you the shares through equity markets, how do you know what you are buying is actually genuine? What if I just give you a piece of paper as it used to be in the past? Today all shares are traded on in an electronic format, but earlier people would just trade paper shares. The shares were literally given to you as a share certificate, and if you held the share certificate, you were the share owner. But what if I was to just print out the whole share certificate and give it to you? Who was to certify it? The share market would certify it. Hence, even till date, what has happened is most of the concepts remain the same. They are just converted into a more easier, faster, transparent electronic format. So today, let's talk about 2021. Today, if you want to buy shares, all what you need to do is learn how to actually buy and sell shares or trade in shares. Get yourself a demat account through multiple brokers, so you can just choose any one of them and literally go ahead, fill in your details, do your KYC, and you can literally start buying, selling, trading in shares just like that. In just 4 minutes, I have given you an entire perspective of how does the share market and equity market work. I'm sure you have more questions. Please feel free to ask me all the questions in the comment section below. It's just below the like button. If you're anyway going to the comment section and you're passing through the like button, if you've liked this video until now, if you're watching it, you've definitely learned something new, right? Just show me your support by hitting the like button. Through the entire month, I'm going to give you such small bite-sized pieces of what exactly are shares and how do those shares become a really good investment for you. If that excites you, consider subscribing to the channel. I hope this has been a good one for you. I know it has been a really good one for me. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones and stay happy. Kaching!